So we're making authentic Ghanaian tuo zaafi papa bi, and guess what? Miss Odum, the hot burner, came to me and we did this delicious meal together. Guys, it was super delicious. I'll tag her in the comment section, so please check her page as well. So we begin by cooking the meat. This goat meat, we have wele, we have the intestines, which they call nyama nyama. Then we blended some onion, ginger, garlic, then some chopped onion as well. We added it to the meat, and then we steamed it until everything tasted well. It was tasting good. Then we added in just a little bit of water to let the meat cook. So then we moved on to the stew. For the stew, it's just a normal stew in the saucepan. We added in oil, blended onion mix, sliced onion. Then we let this steam for at least some minutes, and then we went in with salmon. But then the meat was cooked, so we added the meat, we added in water, and then we left it for it to get ready. Then we moved to the ayoyo. You know, TZ has a lot of components, so when you're making this delicious meal, you need to have time and make sure you prepare everything step by step. So the saucepan, we added in the ayoyo, water and baking soda, let it cook until it was ready, and then we put it aside. Then we moved to the TZ. So the TZ, all you need is your maize powder and then your kokonte powder, and we mixed together. This was the already mixed one, and then we added in water, we boiled it, then we kept some of the porridge aside, and then whilst it was getting harder, we added in more of the porridge. So when it was finished, we added in hot water. So if in case the porridge is not enough, you can add in hot water. Now we can move to the ayoyo soup, which is very simple. So the dawa, we grinded it a little bit, and then we blended the how do they call it, the ayoyo. Then we added it to Kiron. Keep quiet. So guys, this is basically simple, and trust me, this was delicious. Kiron, keep quiet. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try, and I hope you're going to check her page as well. She's extremely good. She has a lot of recipes on her page. Please check her page. I'll tag her in the comment section. So guys, as always, that's it. You are invited. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give us a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And guys, this food was you need to try it, guys. Oh, delicious. Please try it and let us know how it turned out.